Hi everyone, welcome to my live show. This is Demi. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon for everyone. Welcome to my live show. This is Demi. We are from Doing Company. And guys, you can see we change our live stream today. And you can see this. No, I didn't change. Okay.
把它删了图音贴呀。那等你在直播间装修改，直播间装修，然后选刚才那个，然后把字改，还是在这改吧。
Okay, guys, just wait me 1 more minute, okay? Welcome, new friends. Welcome to my live show. This is Demi.
行，等一下，去看戏啊。
怎么就是
就这样
12个字儿？
那就先
Doing company 吧。
嗯。
company 也打不出来吗？你也打不出来。
那你就上面welcome，然后下面就是doing，然后什么什么。下面两个小的就打公司的名字和那个电影的。OEDM
这是什么东西啊？底下这个。
不知道，然后删了一下。
就这样吧，我要看doing。
那个呢 ？OD 那个呢？
这不知道什么意思。
把它删了。是能删吗？
Hi new friends, welcome to my live show. I just changed my title first. Just wait me 1 second, okay? Okay. Alright. Oh, I'm here. Hi everyone, welcome to my live show. This is Demi. Hello, WW. Welcome to my channel, honey. And all my new friends, today I will let you guys know how did we choose the pyrolysis plant. And right now I just start my introduction. If during this live show, if you do have any question, you can just put your question in the comment area. 没声音? Hi everyone. Hello. Can you hear me, guys? If you can hear me, can you put your comment here? Hi. Hello. WW, can you help me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, please put your comment here. I'm not sure if I have the voice. Hi, welcome BM to my channel, honey. Welcome. Okay, guys, can you hear me, everyone? No? Okay. 是不是这个？
点这个箭头，点这个箭头。这个是。然后选外部麦克风吧。
Okay. Hi everyone. Hello. Hello. Is anybody can hear me? Hi everyone. I'm so sorry I don't have the voice just now. Can you hear me for now? No? Continue still?
那就选那个 RKU。
Okay.
是他的麦克风。
Hi, you friends. Hello.
这都正常。
Hi, hello.
我的吗
Hi. I hope I have the voice. Hello everyone. Welcome to Doing Live Stream. This is Demi here. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please put your comment here. Hello new friends. Hello IF. Welcome new friends. Oh my god, we have a lot of people come to my live show, but I don't know what's the problem about my voice. I'm not sure. Can you guys hear me for now? Hello, you friends. Hello. Hello. Unbelievable. Did I have the voice for now? Hi, new friends. Hello, new friends. Welcome to my live show. If you are the first time in my live show, you can just click the follow button.
换回来，把麦克风换回来，换回那个OK， 问清楚吗？
他们的问题是吗？Okay. So hi everyone, can you hear me for now? And later I just introduce our equipment to you. And here I would like to share our company to you. Our company is located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. And in our company we have our own technical team, we have our own engineer team, even though we have sales team and also for after sales team. And according to this, a lot of department, we will give you guys very. Okay, so and today I would like to share you how did we choose the pyrolysis machine. I know a lot of the people, they have the raw materials, like they have the with the terrace, with the rubbers, and with the plastic. They have the raw materials for everything, and they don't know how to deal with about these things. Some people, they just discharge it, and some people, they choose our machine to get the pyrolysis oil. And how did we get the pyrolysis oil? Because we can see they have a lot of the factory, even though we are the manufacturer as well. And some people, they don't know how did we choose the manufacturer. And today I would like to share you some points like how did we choose these machines. And today, if you like my live show or if you are interested about our company, you can just give me a follow in the left part and click the follow button. Also send me some likes. So I will introduce our equipment for you as well. And right now, first part, let me introduce myself again. This is Demi. We are from Doing Company. We are the manufacturer, already have the 13 years experience. And later, I would like to share you this equipment. So today, our topic is how to choose the pyrolysis plant. And later, I would like to share some important points, just like, okay, guys, can you see this picture in the bottom here? So first, we need to make sure our raw materials, like what kind of the raw materials you are using for. Like you can have some with the terrace, with the rubbers, and also some people, they have some with the plastic as well. So according to different raw materials, the people, they will choose different equipment. Like for the with the terrace, some people, they choose the batch type pyrolysis machine. But for other things, some people, they supposed to choose the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis machine. And this is the two picture I would like to share to you. The first picture on the top, this is with the plastic. In our daily life, we have a lot of with the plastic. Like we go to the supermarket, we take a bag, and we go to outside, we take a bottle of the waters, we take a lot other things. Like for the daily life, we are using for the plastic every day, like the champagne bottle, like the water bottle, like the detergent bottles. Yes, according to this kind of the bottles, how did we use our machines? Hello, Ty. Welcome, Ty, to my channel. Hello, how are you, honey? How are you? And also the second picture is I would like to share the with the terrace. according to the people are rich than before, and some people they are choosing to buy a car, some people they are choosing to buy a truck, and after that we get a lot of the waste tariffs. And also not only these two kind of the raw materials we are using for every day, and also for other things like oil sludge. Some people they supposed to be know in the big cargos. Some people they are choosing.动不了，不知道。你看他动不了。
有买家进入直播间了。
把这个顶部什么什么。
他俩换一下。他啥换一下？I don't know too. Hi Mahad, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, where are you from, honey? Where are you from? Elma Hadi, am I right? Honey, I just like to share our equipments here. If you are interested, can you give me a follow button right here? I will appreciate. I can't change. 挪不上这个，挪不上去。Yes, I can't change it right now. Okay, no problem. 怎么取？不知道。Okay, guys, just wait me 1 second. We'll delete something. Hi UT, welcome to my channel. Hi XQ, welcome to my channel. Hello new friends. How are you? Thank you for watching my live stream today. If you guys have any question, just leave your comment here. And right now I would like to share our equipment for you first. First, we are from doing company, already have 13 years experience for our equipment, pyrolysis equipment, and also according to today, I would like to share you how did we choose the equipment. Right now, the first part is according to your raw materials. First part is according to your raw materials, like what kind of the raw materials you have, what kind of the equipment we are recommend to you. Hello, Samuel. Welcome, Samuel, to my channel. How are you, Samuel? And also according to your different raw materials, we will give you the different equipment suggestion. Like what kind of the raw materials you are using, we just recommend what kind of the raw materials for you. Like the first part, I would like to share this one. The first part already know is according to your raw materials. Let's go to the second part. It's according to your raw materials, the oil yield. Some people they supposed to have a question like, okay, what kind of the oil yields if I have the 1 tons with the plastic? How many pyrolysis oil I can get? Some people they are choosing the different machines. Some people they are very concerned about the oil yield. And the different raw materials, they have different oil yield. Like the waste tariffs, the oil yield. If you have 1 ton with the terrace, you're supposed to have the 14% oils. You're supposed to have the 14% oil. And also, if you have the with the plastic, like with the plastic, if you have the pure PE, materials, you're supposed to have the 16% of the oils. 移除，它可以移除。OK。好看多了。Okay, guys. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you for your likes, honey. Thank you so much for your likes. And right now, guys, can you see me right now? Just now, I have some small problem about our documents, and right now I already changed it. And according to this time, the oil yield is like some people they want to get the oil yield, some people they want to get the pyrolysis oil, so they are very concerned about the oil yield. And some people they are very interested about the carbon black, because in some countries the carbon black is more expensive than pyrolysis oil. So according to different countries, they have the different requirement. So according to this requirement, the second part is the oil yield. Like what kind of the oil yield you are concerned about. Like if you're using the batch type pyrolysis machine, you're supposed to get the at least 14% the oil. But for other people, they are very interested about the tail gas and the carbon black. And right now, the third part is right here. It's about the capacity. I'm not sure, guys, did you know the capacity here? Thanks, guys. Thank you for likes. Alright, so this is the capacity. We have the different capacity. The smallest one is the 100 kg per day, and the large one is the 15 tons per day. Is for the batch type pyrolysis plant. And also we have the fully continuous pyrolysis plant. They have the different capacity. According to these two kind of the raw materials, two equipments, they have the different capacity. Like the fully continuous pyrolysis plant, they have the 15 tons for per day. Hi Steven, welcome Steven, welcome to my live show. Okay, and this is a 500 kg per day machine, small machine. I put the name is right here. I'm not sure, can you guys see it? And the first part we can see this is a small reactor. This small reactor we can put at least 400 kg the waste terrace, but you're supposed to be using the machine put the terrace together. And then we have the cooling system in the back. The cooling system with the oil tank in the back here. So in the batch type pyrolysis machine, at least one day you're supposed to be get the 14%. You're supposed to be get 500 kg. You're supposed to be get the 200 kg the oils. And then let me show you the fourth part. So how did we choose the pyrolysis plant? First, we need to choose a big manufacturer. Like if we have some problem about the equipment, this factory gonna be send the engineer to your country and to fix it. For our company, we have our foreigner agent in outside, foreigner engineer in outside as well. So we can help you to install, and we can help you to manual the equipment. And also for our company, we have the after sales service. and also we will give you the 1 year's warranty about our machines. So during 1 year, if you do have any question, you can just contact us. We will send our engineer to fix it. But it's also for the big problem, but I hope you never use it. Hi OC, welcome OC, our new client. How are you today? Can you just say hi to me? I just want to get more comment here. Hi Irene, welcome. Terry shredder machine, we have it here. Irene, we have the Terry shredder machine here as well. If you are interested, can I just give you the catalog here? I hope this machine can help you. Irene, let me just send it to you. Okay, hope this one will helpful for you. And also this is the four important parts. We need to choose very powerful manufacturer, because if our equipment have any problem, we can help you to deal with it. And the next part, let me show you this one. Equipment. Yes, if you want to get some pyrolysis oil, that is very important to choose the equipment. Because in different factories, they have the different technical about the equipment. So according to different equipments, if you're interested, you're gonna be have the test running also for different kind of the equipments. And also some people, they like to using the batch type pyrolysis machine because they don't want to become busy for every day, and then they choose the batch type pyrolysis machine. Some people, they want to get a lot of the pyrolysis oil, so they choose the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis machine. According to those kind of the machines, some people, they are very interested about those fully continuous pyrolysis machine. And also some people, they choose some other factory the machines according to, and then they using the water cooling box. And then in our company, you can choose these two kind of the cooling system. We have the cooling system like the vertical condenser. We have the horizontal condenser. They are more cooling than the water box, because if you using these machines for the whole days, the water will become warm. But for our vertical condenser and the horizontal condenser, they are using for the recycling water. So that is very different. That is very different. And also according to these two machines, they have the different capacity. Some people, they can get different oils for 1 day. And also let me show you this one.
买家进入直播间了。
Hi ST, hello new friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, can you guys give me a follow? It's right here. If you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. I would like to share the answer for you. And then let me show you this part. This is our batch type pyrolysis plant. This is a 3D video. At the first part, we can see that is very important part, the reactor. Some people, they supposed to know the reactor is very important part. Why? Because we supposed to be put with the terrace or with the plastic inside, right? So they supposed to be have a big container, and then we put these raw materials inside, and then after that, the reactor gonna be get turn like this way, and then we need to using the burner to heat it. We need to using the burner to heat it. And also after the heat, they supposed to be when the temperature reach to 218 until the 320. This supposed to be get some oil gas come out, and then we will go to the next part, is the cooling system. I already told you. And after the cooling system, some people, they supposed to get the oil from this supposed to be see the oil come out from the oil tank here. And then for the carbon black collection here, this one can make our factory more clean and can make our equipment using for a long time, and we can collect the carbon black. But I suggest you, if you have the 6 tons about this one, I suggest you using this. And then let me introduce next part here. Okay, this is our batch type pyrolysis plant detail introduction. I think in here it's very small, so I will introduce different part for you. This is the reactor. First part, the reactor is connected with the 4 different materials. The first part, we are using the steel plate. And then we have the steel structure. After that, we have the refractory rock wool. After that, we have the refractory cement. So this is the outside insulation about this plant. They are be connected with the 4 different materials. And then we can see the first one is right here. This is the auto filling. But in here, I think it's very small for you. Okay, I hope you can see that. Hi, Louis. Welcome, Louis, to my channel. Hello, Husa. Welcome, Husa, to my channel. How are you, Husa? How are you today? So this is the second part, and then we can see the third part. This one. This is the buffer tank. Buffer tank is meant to using for reduce the oil gas speed. After the oil gas, okay, here comes one question. Some people they supposed to have this question. Where we reduce the oil gas, because they think a lot of the oil gas come to the cooling part. They supposed to get a lot of the oil, but in fact it's not like this, because if the oil gas they have very fast speed, they are not cooling properly, and so that is why we put the buffer tank here. Just reduce the oil gas speed. Just want to make sure all the oil gas will be cooling properly. And then we supposed to know this part. This is the desulfurization tower. Desulfurization tower is the last part. I will introduce this part for you later. After the buffer tank, we will go to the vertical condenser. So for the batch type pyrolysis machine, they have the 4 step for the cooling system, and they have the 7 equipments to cooling. They have first part, they have the 2 vertical condenser is right here. Can you guys see that? It's the 2 vertical condenser. After that, they have the 2 horizontal condenser is right here. So we already have 4, and then they have the 2 cooling tower. We have 6. After that, we have the water sea. After water sea, we already have the 7 step about the cooling. See, this is a condenser system, and also the last part is the smell remove device. For the smell remove device, some people they are very interested. Why? Because this part they can just remove some flavor, like the sulfur dioxide, the smell they're gonna be removed. So the smell removal device is very, very useful, because in some country they are very care about the environment, and they are very care about the atmosphere environment. So that is why they are choose our machine. This machine is only in our company you can buy it because this is our technical. And also, let me show you next part. Yeah, just now I told you I will introduce the desulfurization tower right here. For the desulfurization tower, this one we will remove some other tail gas like the sulfur dioxide, like the sulfate, the flavor. Here we just remove it. After the desulfurization tower, some people they will get this gas can just spray it in outside. Hello Anna, thanks for your follows, honey. Thanks for your follows. Okay guys, if you are interested about our live show, you can just give me a follow right here. If you do have any question, just give me your question. I would like to share the answer for you immediately. Okay, so this is for the batch type pyrolysis detail. I just introduced different parts. Oh yes, I forgot the very important parts. This is the carbon black wind transfer system. Why we call this one is the carbon black wind transfer system, because some people they supposed to know the carbon black is very small. It's very small piece, just like this, very small pieces, and it's very hard to collect. And some people they using the hoister to collect the carbon black, and this part, this one, the wind. This is the carbon black wind transport system. This one also is our company technical. And also for this one, some people they are choosing to use it because they are very easily to get the carbon black, and just make sure the factory is very clean. Just make sure the factory is very clean. And also, let me show you the second different machine, because in our company we have the fully continuous pyrolysis machine, we have the batch type pyrolysis machines, and also we have the semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. So if some people they don't have a lot of the monies, and then they choose the semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. Even though for now in China we already have the at least 5 factory to using this pyrolysis machine. And let me just introduce. Even though in the foreigner we have the people using this machine as well, because for this machine you can they can at least 2 days get the three times to get the pyrolysis oil. Yeah, I forgot to tell you, because for the batch type pyrolysis machine, some people they only can get this oil for 1 day, because for the reactor we supposed to make sure this one can be cooled, just like we need to make sure this one. We need to make sure these machines can use in 22 until 24 hours for one batch. But for the semi-continuous pyrolysis machine, we can use it at least the 17 and the 18 hours for one batch. So at least 2 days you can using for three batch. Yes. Let me just introduce next part. This is our semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, and for this plant, let me tell you what's the difference. So the first one, for the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, some people they are choosing using the with the rubber, because this one you can see the the feeding door is very small, so some people they are choosing to put with the rubbers. Also, this one only can put with the rubbers. But for the batch type pyrolysis machine, some people they are choosing they are put with the cherries inside as directly. So for the batch type pyrolysis machine, you're supposed to be after this machine finish the carbon black, finish the oil, finish the pyrolysis. We're supposed to wait until this reactor cooled, and then we will pull out the stills. And then you can see they have a lot of the tubing on the top, and then this one will connect with the buffer tank as well. And after that, they have one small reactor is right here. Can you guys see? This is a small reactor is right here. Why we put the small reactor? Because this small reactor is using for collect the carbon black. So in the reactor, when the temperature reaches 300 degrees, we can discharge the carbon black directly. But for the batch type pyrolysis machine, if we want to discharge the carbon black, we at least wait the carbon black until the 18 degree. Hi PG, how are you PG? Welcome to my live show. MX, which country about the MX? Can you tell me which country about the MX? I just want my comment become more. Can you just give me some comment here? I will appreciate. Thank you so much. So this is the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, and then this one we are using the raw materials, the waste rubbers, and some people they are using the waste plastic as well. But we need to using the shredder, shred the plastic in small pieces. And then for the reactor in the back here is using for collect the carbon black. And also for this one we can choose the water saver, water recycling box as well. Also for the condenser system as well, we can use this too. Hello XView, welcome to my channel, welcome new friends. Thanks for everyone come to my live show. If you during this live show, if you do have any question, just put your question in the comment area. I would like to share more details about our machines for you. So this is the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant, and then this one also has a reactor, also have the carbon black reactor. So that is different between the batch type pyrolysis machine for the semi-continuous pyrolysis machine. And guys, for these two different things, do you have any question? If you have a question, just let me know. Okay, so this is the second picture, the semi-continuous pyrolysis plant. You can see the desulfurization tower is right here. Yeah, the tallest one. This one is the desulfurization tower. This one we are using to remove some sulfur dioxide, sulfatate smell things. Just use this one, and then we have some chemical on the top here, and use the water spray to put the tail gas, make it clean. After that, we can just reach according to the policy to spray the gas as well. And then I will show you the fully continuous pyrolysis machine, even though I already introduced this one for you guys a lot of times. But in different times I will share you different part details. And then we can see the longer reactor. Yeah, I have to see if you choose the batch type pyrolysis machine for the reactor at least longer the 7.5 millimeters, 7.5 meters. But for the full automatic continuous pyrolysis reactor, at least 15 millimeters, 50 meters. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. So for this machine, we can just see this is very long. And I remember in our China factory, some people always ask me, okay, if I choose the fully continuous pyrolysis machine, how long about the factory I need to prepare? And according to our sales manager, they always suggestion them at least 75 meters. At least 75 meters. So for the reactor also it's very longer. And some people they supposedly ask why we put this one so long? Why we put this one so long? Because the fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant, we are one side to feeding and the other side to get the carbon black. Some people they just were interested about that. Like how did we do that? I will show you. Hi Minier, hello Minier. Oh my god, it's a boy. Hi Zoe, welcome Minier. Welcome new friends. Okay, it's right here. Let me just show you. So according to this page, okay, that is too white. Okay, that is too white. I give up. So I will use my hands. First, they are very long. The reactor, they are very long. And then we feed it from the beginning, just from here. And then we get turn. They have the spinner inside the reactor. We just turn until the end. In here, from the beginning until the end, they are get the burner to burn it as well. And then this supposed to be at least 4 hours for properly to get heat. Because if you are not properly to heat it, this supposed to be using for very, it's not heat properly. So you just waste these raw materials, and then you will get very less about the oils. So that is contain how many oils you get. Hi new friends. And this is a fully continuous pyrolysis plant for the feeding. And then let me just introduce the cooling part. For the heating part also is different. Like for the reactor is right here, we have the burning room inside here, and then after the burning room, they are heat the reactor but heat the air, so the fire is not connected with the reactor. And then we can keep this fully continuous pyrolysis plant using for a long time. After that, they will go to the cooling system. For the cooling system, also is different between the batch type pyrolysis machine and the semi pyrolysis machine. This is totally different. And then for our machine, at least you need to prepare 2 water pools. One is for recycling water, the other one is for desulfurization tower waters. So that is water pool you are using for. After that, let me show you the different way to state this one. So here, can you see this long one? Long blue one is right here. This long blue one is for the hoister. This one is the elevator just transfer. This is just transfer some with the rubber powder. Because if you are not using this part, you're supposed to have some air inside the reactor. Our reactor were be heat is happened under the no oxygen conditions. So that is why this is a hoister, and then they have the feeding hoister here as well. And then the reactor, we can see on the top here we prepare a lot of the tubies that is connect with the cooling, that is connect with the smoke. It's easy for us to collect the smoke here. That is this part. And the red one here is the burner, and I didn't mention a lot of the details here because I want to show you our factory in the future live stream. Just make sure you guys can see our factory directly. Why? Because in our factory they have a lot of noisy, and maybe one day I would like to show you this one. Okay, this is the three different about the equipments. Just now we are talking about how to choose the suitable pyrolysis plant. Like the first one, very important part is your materials. So if you want to choose a suitable pyrolysis plant, you at least choose according to your raw materials and choose the equipments. So after the pyrolysis plant, you're supposed to be using it for, and then we will go to the next part. The second part is like according to your raw materials. The first part is according to your raw materials. The second part is everybody very concerned about the oil yield. Like if I use your machines to get this 1 tons with the rubbers or with the tires, how many oil I will get it? Okay, I ask you, you give me okay at least 14%, and I ask the other factory, they give me at least the 13%. So it's very important about the oil yield. Some people are very interested about that. And then they are very interested about the capacity. Different capacity, they can put different raw materials. And according to this one, some people they are very interested about the capacity as well. And then the manufacturing. Choose a big manufacturing is very suitable for you. Why? If you have some problem in the future, after self-service team is strong, will be helpful for you. Why? If you have any problem, if some important part you don't understand, you can ask them directly. And then let me show you next one. This is the first part, and the third part is the equipment. I already introduced our equipment for you. So, and some people they are very interested about the price, because in different factories for different equipment they have the different price. Like what kind of the equipment you are interested, like okay, if I'm interested about the batch type pyrolysis machine, and what kind of the cooling system you are choosing, like the water box, recycling water box, or the condenser system, they have different price. And some people they are in some country they will give you the lower price because they didn't give you the cooling system, they only give you the reactor. So you're supposed to have the equipment list and the price. If you are interested, you need to ask the factory to do it as well. And also for this part, equipment part, I already introduced those three things for you, and right now let me just show you some videos just about some different equipments, Hope you guys, according to these videos, you are very interested about that. Alright. Okay, this is our 3D videos about the bathtub pyrolysis plant. Just hope this video is helpful for you to choose the machines. Okay, this is the machine. This is the these videos, and then this is a factory for the 15 tons equipments, the whole processing line, and this factory for one 15 tons processing line is supposed to be have using the 300 square meters. First, this machine, they are using the auto feeding about this machine. Hi, welcome new friends, welcome to my channel. Okay, let me show you the 3D videos here. This is auto feeding. We're using the drug to put the vegetables inside. And then this one we have the 15 tons pressure. Just make sure the reactor inside the places can be using properly. And then we using the burner to heat it.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome new friends. How are you? How are you today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for you, because I'm not sure where are you from. And then we will get the oil, some oil gas. This is the separate bag, and this is the buffer tank. And on the top here we have the 3 watts just for the temperature, for the pressure, and for the pressure. And then this is the vertical condenser. They have the 4 tubes, and outside the tubes, this is the recycling water. Can you see this is the recycling water? And the oil gas will be cooling here at least will be cooling to here. After the vertical condenser, this one will go into the oil water separation. This is a safety device for the oil water separation. Why we call it the safety device? Because this one we can just prevent the oil gas come back to the reactor. Just make sure more safety in our daily life. Just prevent to boom about this one. And also for the oil water separator, they have the oil recycling oil as there as well, and then they can get small parts about the oil. Hi new friends, how are you today? Hello, welcome to my live show. If you are the first time, please give me a follow button right here. I will appreciate. And then this is a horizontal condenser. This one we will get at least 19% about the oil will be cooling here. And then the cooling tower, that is the first. They didn't show you the cooling tower here, but it doesn't matter. This is the auto removal system. This one we will remove some unhealthy smell. Just make sure the gas will reach to the policy to 3. And then in here they have some some gas can burn, and then this one will come back to the reactor here as well. This is the fire as the fuel to heat our reactor, so we can just reduce some fuel oil using. And then this is the tower, but in here we already changed it because this is too small, and then we change it to the big desulfurization tower. This part also just removes some uncondensable gas. Already changed. This is the vacuum device, this one, because before we discharge the carbon black, this will still have some oil gas inside the reactor. So for our safety, we just add this desulfurization tower, just make sure they don't have the oil gas in the reactor. So when we open the filling door, that is very safety. And then we can discharge the carbon black first. This is the outlet. When this is a vent outlet, just cool the reactor inside here very well, because we need to wait the temperature reach to 18 degrees, and then we can discharge the carbon black directly. Otherwise, this will be very dangerous. This is the carbon black. They have the two holes for the sludging hole, so when the reactor running, at least they can discharge the carbon black twice. And then the carbon black connect with the carbon black transfer vent system. Just connect this one. Just make sure our factory more clean, and this one can collect all the carbon black. It's very easy for us to collect it. And then some people, they choose to put some detergent inside here. Just make sure the carbon black is very sticky. And then after the sticky, the carbon black will be required to be a bowl, or some people, they are choosing to refining about the carbon black, because they have different price about these two kind of things. And then from this part, this is a bowl. This bowl, they have the 17 kilo weight about the heating things. And then this is the steel. This is a steel pole steel machines here. Just take out all the steels inside the reactor, and then you can see it's black on the top here. After that, we will collect all the oil to the big oil tank, because the oil tank here is very limited. And then we put it in the big tank here. Okay, that is all for the bathtub pyrolysis machine.
买家在商想看直播，打个招呼吧。
Hi, new friends. Are you still here? Just introduce our live show to you. Okay, so right here, this bathtub pyrolysis machine already show you guys. And then I will show you for the fully continuous pyrolysis machine here. For the fully continuous pyrolysis machine, they are very different because they have very different part. Because for the bathtub pyrolysis machine, we put the waste terrace here. And then for the other things, they have the different part. It's right here. Okay. Let me show you these 3D videos. This is our fully automatic continuous pyrolysis plant, and you can see they have very longer about the reactor. So that is very important part for the reactor. And then for the very longer reactor, they have one middle tag here. Later I will show you the details. See, this one we put with the rubber powder. That is different according to the with vegetable pyrolysis machine, right? Hello Eddie, welcome Beta, welcome Beta. How are you today? How are you today? Beta, how are you? Are you still here? Okay, so let me just introduce this one directly to you. With the rubber powder, you can see they have spin on the top there, and then they have the hoist on the top there as well. This is the reactor. Just now I already told you this one they heat the reactor but heat the air because they didn't put the fire heat the reactor directly. They want to make it using for a long time. And then they have the cooling water and then the cooling oils here. This is the oil gas will be come out, and this tubing is very technical because this tubing can use. They put a right way. If this tubing put very high, they supposed to have some oil gas not reduce the speed very well. If they put very low, the carbon black can't be collect here. And then they go to the this is the buffer tank, but this buffer tank they have the recycling water outside. So in here they also have some oil will be cooled here. Then the oil gas very fast, and then they will after the tubing they go to the next part. This is the U-shaped tubes. I already introduced this part, but I will introduce this one again. This U-shaped tubes is very useful for when the pump take out the oils. They can keep balance about the pressure. Yeah, I hope I introduce it to you clearly. And then the vertical condenser will be cooling as well. Outside it also is cooling water. After 1, 2, 3, 4, they're gonna be cooling our oil at least 17% the oils properly. And then they have the water sea. Oh, I'm sorry, they at least cooling the oil at least 95%. Because our new fully continuous pyrolysis machine, they have 6 vertical condenser, so that's why I always say the wrong number. And then this is the smell remove system here as well. After this machine, this supposed to get some tail gas can burn, and then this kind of tail gas will send to the reactor as fuel oils to heat the reactor. This is one. See, this one come back to the reactor as a fuel to heat the reactor here. So only the first 2 days we need to put the fuel oils or some for some gas, for some wooden. Otherwise we all using the tail gas as a burner. Here also they will collect some oils here as well. See, this is a water sea, and this one is the discharge the carbon black part. from this part, some people they can get the discharge, the carbon black directly when they have the high temperature. This is the also for this carbon black outside elevator. They also have the cooling system outside the pub as well, because we need to make sure the carbon black is a great degree for us to take it. Okay. Anyway, this is a spray water for just be cool the tail gas, the smoke actually. Then this is a desulfurization tower. They have different parts. One is the spray, one is separate the tail gas. Just want to make sure this smoke will be cooled very well and they can be connected very well. See, this one will reach outside to get the towers. And also this is all for today. What kind of the raw materials, how did we choose our machines here? And also honey, if you still have any question, you can just put your question in the comment area, because this live stream almost finished. Today I just like to share the 4 very important part about how to choose the pyrolysis plant. Here comes this question for you. So according to this all the things I show you, do you still have any question? Alright, I think nobody have the questions. Okay, so today, in the future, if we choose the suitable pyrolysis plant, the 4 very important parts we need to be patient. The first one is like the raw materials. According to your raw materials, and then we will choose the equipment. Very important about the raw materials. The second part is the oil yield. Different the machines, they have the different the things, like the different materials, they have different oil yield. If you choose this machine, if you choose this equipment, they didn't hit the raw materials very well. Also, they didn't cooling these raw materials very well. It's very pollution about this oil yield. The third part is choose very important manufacturing. Just put a big factory, because it's very using for your after the service, and also if you choose a big manufacturing, it's very helpful for you. Why? If you have any problem, they're gonna deal with this problem as well. And the first is very important. Just choose very great equipment for your raw materials. Okay, this is the 4 parts only for today. And also honey, do you guys still have any question? If no question, I would like to finish this live show for today. I'm waiting you at least 14 seconds. Hi Barzil, how are you Barzil? Are you from Thailand? Are you from Thailand, honey? Are you from Thailand? Just tell me. I hope you are a great boy. Hi Ashamde, where are you from? Umbrella with logo. Oh, you want umbrella with logo? Sorry, this is a wrong live stream. You come. But hi, yes, Frank. Oh, your name is Frank? I think your name is Brazil. Where are you from? Sorry, I know a very nice country. You're a great people. Thanks for your leave the comment here for me. Tanzania. Oh, in South Africa, right? Tanzania. Oh my God, that is a great country. Yeah, that is a country in. Let me check. This is in South Africa or which country? East Africa. Oh, thanks for your comments. East Africa. Okay, I know this country. I know this country. I see you are very interested about the umbrella with logo. So you have your own factory, or you just interested about this umbrella? Don't you know? Yeah, before I don't know Tanzania which part in Africa, but now I know. Thanks for your tell me. But I know this country very properly. I see here they give me your hobbies about. You are very interested about umbrella. That is great. That is great. So you want to buy some umbrella from China or what? Oh yes, by the way, I'm from China. Nice to meet you here. Nice to meet you here. But at this time, I almost finished my live show. If you don't mind, can you give me a follow right here? Otherwise, you can see my live stream in the future. Hi user, welcome user Baloy. Welcome to my live show, honey. How are you today? Hi user Baloy. Oh my god, I want to see this one, but they didn't. Oh my god, what's wrong about my... Okay, let me just check. Alumina window and door making. User, you are interested about alumina door. Yeah, they tell me your hobby is here. Hi everyone, welcome to my live stream. This is Demi. We are from Doing Company. This is the manufacturing about how did they get the pyrolysis oil. I'm not sure. Did you guys know that? Okay. So today welcome back user. Welcome back here. Welcome back to my live show. And also, honey, this live stream almost finished. Thanks for you guys watch my live show for today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And just say bye. Just say bye.